Like, subscribe and press the bell icon, and you might win a 500 rupees Amazon voucher. Winner will be announced on every Sunday's video. According to Ramayana, the major religious book of Hinduism, Ayodhya is considered to be the birthplace of Lord Sri Ram, the holy and religious city of Hinduism. Ayodhya is an ancient religious city, which in history was the capital of Kosala state. This city is also mentioned in big epics. According to Ramayana, Lord Rama was born as an incarnation of Lord Vishnu in Treta Yuga to destroy iniquity, injustice, and terror, and to protect man. Ayodhya, the birthplace of Maryada Purushottam Rama, is considered one of the 7 holy pilgrimage centers of Hindus, which was founded by Manu. It is also described in the Vedas as the city of God. This city is linked to the belief of many religions. According to Jain, not the key Tirthankara Anantanath, Abhinandanath, Sumtinath, Rishbhanath, Ajitnath was born. Along with this, due to the birthplace of Lord Rama, this city is also very important. Navami of Chaitra month is also celebrated with great pomp across the country as the birthday of Lord Rama. Lord Sri Rama ruled for many years in the city of Ayodhya and taught people the lessons of love, kindness, brotherhood, and humanity. After this, he entered the Saryu river and sacrificed his human body. The Babri Masjid was built in 1527 on the orders of Babur, the founder of the Mughal dynasty, by his commander Mir Baqi, who broke the temple of Lord Rama built on the land of Ramjanam in Ayodhya. Due to which there was a lot of violence, even many people lost their lives. It had hurt religious sentiments of the people, so fierce Hindu-Muslim riots, and then followed this with the popular run continuously dispute escalated, went to court for several years, making it a major issue in Indian politics, followed by 5th August. In 2020, history was laid by the foundation of the construction of a grand Ram temple on the birthplace of Sri Ram in Ayodhya by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. On this day, people lit a lamp in their homes and cheered. So let's have a look at the entire history of Ram temple from its demolition to its foundation. According to historians, the first city of Ayodhya, Kosal state, had initial capital, were 2 parts of Kosala of Gautam Buddha, was drifting Sarayu river in the middle of the Ansar Kosal and South Kosal. Ayodhya is mentioned in the Ramayana as the capital of Kosala district. At the same time, according to some historians and scholars, the city of Ayodhya is also known as Awadh. Ayodhya, the city of Lord Rama, was settled by Manu, the son of Surya, the forefather of Lord Rama. Since then, this religious city has been ruled by the Suryavanshi kings. This rule continued till the Mahabharata period. It was here that Lord Sri Rama was born in the palace of King Dashrath of Ayodhya. It is also said about the Ram temple built in Ayodhya that a mosque was built at a place in Ayodhyandari, which Hindus consider to be the birthplace of their deity Lord Rama. It is said that the founder of the Mughal dynasty Babur's commander Mir Baqi built the mosque here. It was known as Babri Masjid. The Mughal ruler came to rule India in 1526, and by 1528 he had established the Awadh, Ayodhya Empire. The survey conducted by the archaeological department claimed to have indicated signs of a temple at the site of Babri Masjid. Apart from this, the archaeological department researchers have found evidence of having a temple here on the basis of inscriptions and found pottery on the pillars buried under the ground, and other underground pillars and other remains. Not only this, every minute videography and still images were made by the Archaeological Survey of India. Apart from this, it was also claimed to have a Shiva temple each. After all, what is Ayodhya dispute and important facts related to it? Facts about Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. The Ayodhya Ram temple dispute is many years old. The Ayodhya Ram temple issue has remained a political issue for many years, due to which many political parties have tried to woo their voters on the basis of religion. At the same time, the mosque was constructed after Babur broke the temple. This led to a lot of violence and many people had to lose their lives too. Babur built the Babri Masjid by breaking the temple. 1528. 1529, Babri Masjid. According to some scholars, in Ayodhya, the birthplace of Sri Rama, the founder of the Mughal dynasty, Babur's commander Mir Baqi broke the temple and built the mosque, which is also known as the Babri Masjid. In the year 1853, when Nirmohi Akhara claimed to have a temple on the site of the mosque. At the same time, Hindu-Muslim violence erupted in Ayodhya for the first time when he talked about demolishing the temple during Babur's tenure. A wall was built in front of Babri Masjid in 1859 Babri Masjid. History. The British rulers built a wall in front of the mosque in 1859, about 2 years after the First War of Independence in 1857. Hindus were allowed to pray in the outer part of this complex. Ayodhya case reached court for the first time. In 1885 Ayodhya Mamla. Ayodhya Ram Temple and Mosque dispute reached court for the first time in 1885. Under this, Hindu Mahant Raghubar Das sought permission to build a Ram temple in the Babri Masjid complex in Faizabad court. After which the court turned down his appeal, after which the dispute became more serious. The real controversy started after independence from 1949, Ayodhya Ram Mandir controversy. 3rd December 1949, Lord Ram idols were found in the mosque. The Muslims were accused of keeping the idols here quietly at night, while the Hindus spoke of the appearance of Lord Rama. After this, people from both communities filed a case in the court. Then the government declared it a disputed site and got it locked. In 1950, a man named Gopal Singh Visharad filed an appeal in a Faizabad court seeking permission to worship Lord Ram. After which the then civil judge N. Chanda gave permission to worship here. However, Muslims filed an application against this decision. In 1984, the Vishwa Hindu Parishad formed a committee to build a temple in place of the disputed structure. In the year 1986, the district magistrate ordered the Hindus to open the lock from the door of the disputed site to pray. After which the people of the Muslim community formed the Babri Masjid Action Committee to protest against it. Year 1992 in the BJP, VHP, public servants in Sena, including a number of other Hindu organizations and thousands of demolished Babri Masjid reaching Ayodhya, provoked thereby Hindu and riots among the Muslim community. These violent and communal thousands riots lost his life. Year 1994 running case in the Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court for the demolition of the Babri Mosque in 1997. In this case, including some veteran BJP party, 47 people were convicted. In view of the violent activities happening due to the Ayodhya dispute, in 2002, former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee formed the Ayodhya Committee. After this, Vishwa Hindu Parishad announced the construction of Ram Temple from 15th March. Then thousands of Hindu activists gathered in Ayodhya, and the Godhra carnage was carried out, the train returning from the Hindu workers. He was attacked in Godhra by 58 activists. In the year 2002, the central government and the Vishwa Hindu Parishad agreement were signed on the Ayodhya dispute, due to which the government was handed over rocks. In 2003, a charge sheet was filed against 8 people including Deputy Prime Minister L.K. Advani for the case of demolition of Babri Masjid. In 2005, Lal Krishna Advani was produced in the court. At the same time, in the same year 2005, there were terrorist attacks in Ayodhya's Ram Janmabhoomi complex in July, in which 6 people including 5 terrorists were killed. In 2006, At the disputed site of Ayodhya, the government proposed a bulletproof glass enclosure to protect the Ram temple. In 2009, the Librahn Commission submitted a report to the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh regarding the demolition of Babri Masjid. On 9th May 2011, the Supreme Court stayed the Allahabad High Court's decision on the Ayodhya dispute. On 21st March 2017, the Supreme Court spoke of resolving the Ayodhya dispute by mutual consent. On October 29, 2018, the Supreme Court refused the case for early hearing and postponed the case till January 2019. The hearing in the Ayodhya case was completed on October 16, 2019, and the judgment was reserved. 9th November, year 2019, the oldest case of the Ayodhya dispute in the country, as Supreme Court Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi headed by 5 special bench of judges unanimously decided. It ruled that, in the construction of Ram temple deity, the disputed land, and ordered the Muslim side to give 5 acres of land for the construction of the mosque. Thus came a decision on the country's longest-running Ayodhya dispute case. That lasted for several years after a long dispute. 5th August, year 2020, in a grand Ram temple foundation at the birthplace of dignity Purushottam Ram in Ayodhya, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made history. Silver shovels and silver trowels were used to lay the foundation stone of the grand Ram temple. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon, and you might win a 500 rupees Amazon voucher. Winner will be announced on every Sunday's video.